Hi class, and welcome to the lesson. In today's lesson we'll be learning how to make our very own anemometer. An anemometer is a device used to help measure wind. After you're done with today's lesson and you built your own anemometer, you'll be able to use your device that you created to measure the wind in your current environment and figure out what factors cause the device to measure the wind. Anemometers work by counting the amount of rotations the device moves with the amount of wind that's going on. It's important because it helps meteorologists study wind patterns and possible weather conditions, as well as physicists to figure out wind patterns and how air functions and works. Here will be the materials you will need to complete this lesson. You need 4 paper cups, 2 straws, 1 hole puncher, 1 push pin, and a wooden pencil with an eraser. You'll first start by punching 2 holes into your paper cups. The holes should be about 1 to 1.5 inches apart from each other on all 4 of your cups. After that, you'll take the tip of your straw and insert them through the holes of your paper cup that you just made. You do that to the other 3 cups, but you'll have to make sure that they're all facing the opposite directions from each other on the straw. After that, you put them in a cross shape, similar to the picture right here. Then you'll want to put the push pin through the middle of all of them, connecting them together. And after that, you'll put the end of the push pin into the tip of the pencil. But you don't want to push it too far and too hard, or else the anemometer might not spin. You want it to be just right so it's able to spin on top of the pencil. After it's all said and done, your anemometer should be able to spin freely with wind. Here's an example of me just blowing on it and it was able to spin. After you're done building your anemometer, it will function similar to one of these devices, allowing the operator to measure wind speed more accurately than with no tools at all. Now that you have your anemometer, you should probably test it out, right? Try testing it out inside a closed room with no wind. You'll notice that the device does not work, but once you take it outside, or maybe to the beach, you'll notice it'll start spinning on its own, due to the force of the wind catching on the cups. Now you might wonder, how does wind have anything to do with you? Wind actually has a lot to do with the environment that you live in. Be it at the beach, it causes waves, or maybe you have wind turbines that generate power for your city. Wind causes a lot of different things to happen in nature. Wind is a potential energy source that us humans can harness and use for our own society. It's also a clean energy source that we can use and keep renewing without the use of fossil fuels. Thank you for viewing my lesson plan and video. Here's the references that I used for this work. And remember, none of this could be possible without you.